Hi all, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this today's video, we will be covering upon what are functions. What are functions in Python that we are going to cover, because that's very helpful for everyone. You can create a function, a user-defined function, or you can use a predefined function also, like which is already available. In this today's video, our scope will be to create a user-defined function so that we can use it later on if you want, like. So it will be going to be very helpful if you are for a big scale project. It will be very helpful. So let's start the session. We have some lecture 13 is already done. Let's create our lecture 14. Lecture 14 dot py. I think this much will be visible for you all. That's fine. What are functions? Functions are used to make the code reusable so that we can use it later on. Like in C# also we used to create some methods, or you can say like different classes we used to create, and then on top of that we used to create different methods in that. So the same thing like we can do in here as well. So here we will be creating some functions in Python. So let's show you how we can do that. Let's create a function. The function is created using our def keyword. So what we can do, def, after that I can create a function. Let's create a function like have a function mb, and I will be doing double parenthesis, and then I will write a colon. Inside that I can print anything, like let's print something. Print hello mb. So this function is not returning any value, like it's not a returnable function, like it's a void function where you are not going to return anything, but you can return any data as well. So we will be seeing that as well in this video. So let's what we can do, like how to call this function. Like simply I can use a print command, and I can do like not a print command. Let's do one thing, md, add this, and I will run this. So you will see what data I will get. Stunning. I'm getting the same data that this is having. Same data, like, because it's the inside the function I write for print function. So it is going to run this to call a function. Just you have to write this here the function name with the parent. Like if I want to save any data here, like I want to save like v equal to function, and then I want to print it. I'm just writing v. Let me run this. For running that I will be doing this click function. It's running now. It will show you a none. Why I'm getting none here? Because it's not returning anything. When it's not returning anything, so what we are going to save here in the in that variable, we are saving nothing. That's the case, we are getting none. If we want to save any data from here, I have to do a return keyword. So let's do one thing, like let's do return. I did return hello. Let me run this now. What I will get, I'm getting return hello. Hello is being printed. So similar way, what you can do, you can add a return function here. Like it will be very helpful for you. Like you can do a return and you will get the data, like simpler. So let's, if its print is not required, you can comment out this print one as well. So this function, what I can do, like I can have a parameter also. Like let's do a parameter one. So I have a comma b. I have a comma b. I'm taking this a comma b as well. I have not done input function. Okay, I can do a input as well. Like what I can do, let me show you. Like I think it's fine. And b lights, let's keep b as a 7. A comma b, I'm getting a comma b. And now I can do print mb equal to a plus b, and let me return mb. Let me run this, and what the data I will be getting. It is prompting me to write some data to 2 and 2 can. Okay. I think this is how, like we used to do integer 2. We used to do typecast. I'm not getting the error. I'm getting the error, I think so. Okay, I got some error. So let me write 2 here, and I'm getting the data 2 plus 7, it's 9. You can see it here. Like I'm not able to zoom here in this section, it's not allowed, but I will get a 2 plus 9 simpler way. Like you can have a function as well. Now if I want some data, I want to show like what this function is going to do. So what I can do, I have to write a comment here in the first line of the function. that value I have to write triple double quote. This is used to find sum of two numbers. Okay, I wrote this. Now I want to see some data of this. So what I will be doing here, uh, print. It's called what you can say, like it's dog string. We used to call dot string. Dot. I am getting some dog. Let me print this and show you what I am getting. This is used to find sum of two numbers. This was written by me, so this is how like you can find the what is the function going to do. Like, so you have to mention this. It's very important. Like, if you are mentioning here, if you are a good developer, you have to mention this. And this dog string, you have to mention only at the first line using the comment. Three double quotes. So in this video, like, we covered upon what's a function and how we can working function. We use some parameterized function as well and non-parameterized function as well, and we find out like what we can do. We can return something, or we can't return something. That also we covered in this video. So I will meet you in some other video where we will be covering upon some other topic. Till then, bye everyone. Bye.